Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you back in the Leaders Odyssey online homeschooling system. Dear students, here's your computer teacher with computer science subject, grade 6, module 4, building a website and task 1, what is a web page? Building a website. In this module, you will learn what a web page is, and how to build one. You will learn how to add text, photos, and make it accessible to your friends online. Dear students, in this week you will be able to learn what a web page is, what is a website and web browser, what is a web server, how to design a web page, what is home page, what is hyperlink. Then you will learn what is Zoho site, what is the use of Zoho sites and Wix, building a website, how to build a website. The first objective, what is a web page? Students, a web page is a document with text, images, sound, and videos that can be accessed on the web from any device that is connected to the internet. You have to use a web browser to be able to read a web page. Students, the first point that should be very clear, that is the internet connection. Whenever you want to go access the internet, or you are making your own website, or you are visiting any other website, you must have your internet connection. Without internet connection, you cannot perform any task related to web surfing. Then students, a document that can be displayed in a web browser, that is called web page. Then that document can be displayed by a web browser. To start accessing the internet, first, as I told, that you need internet connection. Then after internet connection, you need a web browser. A web browser can be Mozilla Firefox, a web browser can be Opera, a web browser can be Safari, a web browser can be Google Chrome or Internet Explorer, etc. Then what is this web browser? Students, a web browser is a program that allows you to browse the internet for accessing information. For accessing the web page, you need a web browser. Then a web page is a document with text, images, sounds and videos that can be accessed on the web from any device from anywhere that is connected to the internet. You have to use a web browser to be able to read a web page. I hope web page and web browser is now clear. If not, again I repeat, a web page is a document that can be displayed in a web browser. But for accessing the internet and for reading the web page, you need to start accessing the internet by a web browser. A web browser is a program that allows you to browse the internet for information. You must have your Mozilla Firefox or Opera or Safari or Google Chrome or Internet Explorer to access any web page or any website. Then web page is part of the website. Web page is a document that can be displayed by a web browser. Then students, what is a website? A website is a set of web pages joined together, or you can say a collection of relevant web pages are called website. A collection of relevant web pages that are grouped together, that is called website. Then all the websites are kept on the computer on the internet. Then that is called web server. A computer that hosts a website on the internet is called web server. Home page. Students, the first page or the startup page of a website is called the home page. From this home page, you can go anywhere you want but using a link. What is the link? Students, but before going towards the links, I want to clear the home page. A web page set as default or the startup page on browser is called the home page. When you open web browser, for example, when you open Safari, there is a web page on the screen. The first that web page that appears on the screen, that is called the home page. Now let's go towards the hyperlinks or simply links that I told that you can go anywhere you want using links to other web pages. Then these links are called hyperlink. Students, hyperlink is usually a word, phrase, or a picture that when you click it, it redirects you to another web page. A text hyperlink is usually underlined in blue color to make it easier to use. You can use a hyperlink to go to another website. You can also use a hyperlink to pop up more information on a subject or to show an image in details. Then students, how to build a website. Now web page, home page, web browser, hyperlink, website, these all are clear to you. Now you know how to build a website. It's the objective how to build a website. To build a website, you need to know HTML. What is HTML? HTML full form is Hypertext Markup Language, a language that describes everything that you want to display on each web page. Simply, you can say that HTML is a coding language. It is a language in the world of computer that you must know. You should be expert in HTML to build a website, or at least you should know the basic language of HTML. But now, students, you do not know HTML. What should you do to build a website? Don't worry. Fortunately, there are tools that can help you build a website without knowing of HTML. As I told that for building of any website, you need to know HTML, that is a coding language. But now you do not know, so there are tools for you available that you can make your website without knowing of HTML. What are that tools? That tools are called Zoho sites or Wix sites. There are many sites, but the most popular and user-friendly and simplest one is Zoho site. Students, that are free online web design tools. Try them to build your own website. What is Zoho sites? A free, simplified, and visual appealing website builder tool. It allows you to make a professional and detailed website in literally few seconds, few minutes. No need of knowing HTML or any other coding language. Then in Zoho sites you will use drag and drop tool only. No coding.
A website is now a must have for any kind of business. But not everyone can build a great looking website. Well, not anymore. Introducing Zoho Sites, the all new, easy to use website builder. With its intuitive drag and drop builder and extensive theme gallery, just about anyone can build and manage professional business websites. Zoho Sites offers all the essentials you would need to build a business website, and a whole lot more. Zoho Sites has the dynamic content that updates your web pages with the information that changes frequently. For instance, a product catalog with images, description, and pricing. It is the power of a database, but as simple as a text editor. Zoho Sites has a collection of pre-built online forms which let you gather contact information, launch surveys, and a lot more. Use them, customize them, or even build your own ones from the scratch. And did you know that these days 1 in 5 users browse the internet on their mobile devices? And this number exponentially grows with small business websites. Zoho Sites offers the best mobile browsing experience to your visitors with no extra effort from you. Computers, tablets, or smartphones, your website just looks great. Above all, Zoho is known for its integrated business apps. Zoho Campaigns, CRM, Docs, and many more will be integrated into Zoho sites. With these, your website will be more than just a business website. Sign up for free, see for yourself.
Now you have learned the objective, what is Zoho sites, what is the use of Zoho sites, the theory part you have learned. Now let's see what is Wix. What is the use of the Wix? This is our next objective. Let's see what is this.
Okay, so what is Wix? Wix is a cloud-based web development platform that allows anyone to create a website using HTML5 technology. Their platform is drag and drop, making it easy to create an assortment of different kinds of websites. Started back in 2006, the service has gone through many updates and upgrades in the last decade, making it a top competitor within the market. As a free website builder, Wix allows you to use their templates to create a simple or more complex website for yourself or for your business. Categories include business, online store, photography, blog, and more. The designer themes are professionally designed, mobile optimized, and highly customizable. Basic features include easy to use drag and drop technology, mobile friendly designs, free reliable hosting, as well as a full app market to add additional features and functions. These features allow for websites within any niche to cover their market. From musicians to hotels, the services and features available are quite flexible. Wix is built on the freemium model, typically starting out most users with a free basic account. We recommend upgrading if you're serious about your project. This will allow you to use your own domain name, get rid of advertisements, and unlock additional features. Overall, Wix is a fantastic platform for many types of websites. As previously mentioned, you can start out with the free version and upgrade your account later to connect your domain name or get rid of the advertisements. This will also help you get used to the features and platform. If you'd like to get a website set up with Wix or another content management system or website builder, we have a bunch of helpful video tutorials and guides over on our website here at firstsiteguide.com. We'd also be happy to help you out with any questions you might have, so feel free to contact us. Take care and enjoy your new website.
Students, by today now you have learned the theory part of these objectives. In the next class, inshallah, you will learn the practical part of these objectives. Then in the next week, you will learn more about how to create a website practically. Here is your today's homework. First learn these topics, then move to the next page to solve the questions. Here is the content written about web page, website and web server, then home page, hyperlink, building a website, what is Zoho site. Then after learning the above content, you will solve these questions. The first part is objective. Are the following sentences true or false? You will write only T for true. If the sentence or statement is false, then you will write F, false. A web page is a document with only text. It is true or false. If you think it is true, write T. If you think it is false, write F. Students, your answers are available in this worksheet as well. But beside these, you can take help from your video lectures as well, that is uploaded in the YouTube channel. 10 true false are there. Then answer the following question: what is website, what is home page, what is hyperlink, what is Zoho site. Hope that these today's objectives are clear to you. The theory part, watch the video more than one time.